Good day, everyone. I am Jamelan Liaban, and today I'll be discussing the Chapter 17 Preventative Maintenance and Services Procedure. And for the learning objectives, at the end of the lesson, students should be able to understand the importance of preventative maintenance and identify key services procedures and perform routine inspections. What is preventative maintenance? Preventative maintenance means periodic service, work for a long time on a vehicle that will help it functioning correctly for a long time. In short, yung preventative maintenance it refers to scheduled routine maintenance carried out on a vehicle to ensure it continues to operate efficiently and reliable for a long time. Um, the goal i- the goal of preventative maintenance is to prevent unexpected breakdowns, costly repairs, or performance issues by addressing the potential problems before they occur. Windshield wiper and washer fluid services. Windshield wiper and washer fluid services involve inspecting, maintaining, and replacing wiper blades and ensuring the washer fluid reservoir is filled with the appropriate cleaning solution to maintain clear visibility during the adverse weather condition. In short, yung windshield wiper and washer fluid services um, are essential for maintaining clear visibility whilst driving, especially in challenging weather condition. um, I will explain that this service involved inspecting the wiper blades for wear, cracks, or damage and replacing them if they are no longer effective. And for additionally, the washer fluid reservoir is checked and refilled to ensure there enough fluid to clean the windshield properly. Using the right type of washer fluid is important, especially in the colder climates where anti-freeze properties may be needed. Regularly maintenance of these components help drivers it helps the drivers maintain clear visibility, improving safety on the road. And let's go to the components of the wiper system. First is we have the wiper blades. Yung wiper blades are the rubber components attached to the wiper arms that make direct contacts with the windshield. Their primary job is to clear rain, snow, the dirt, or the debris from the glass, that ensuring clear visibility. Yung wiper blade kasi can wear out, become brittle, or crack, reducing their effectiveness. As a part of regular maintenance, wiper blades should be inspected for damage and replaced if they streak, skip, or fail to clear the windshield properly. Using the high quality wiper blades is ensure better performance and safer driving in a poor weather condition. And second, we have the wiper arms. Actually, yung wiper arms are the metal or a plastic structures that connects the wiper blades to the vehicle's motor system. They provide the movement needed for the blades to sweep across the windshield. Yung wiper arm are designed to hold the blades firmly against the glass, and by applying consistent pressure for effective cleaning, wiper arms may bend or weaken, reducing their performance. Regularly inspection is important to ensure they are securely attached and functioning properly. The third is the windshield washer nozzles. Yung windshield washer nozzles ay small openings that spray washer fluid onto the windshield to help clean dirt, bags, or the debris. These nozzles can sometimes become clogged with the dirt or the debris, affecting the spray pattern. during the maintenance, they should be checked for the blockage and adjusted to ensure they direct the fluid properly across the windshield for maximum coverage. Keeping these nozzles clean is vital for maintaining a clear view while driving. And lastly, we have the washer fluid reservoir. The washer fluid reservoir is a storage container that holds the cleaning solution used by the washer system. Actually, typically located under the hood and the features a cup with a symbol resembling a windshield and water spray should be checked regularly to ensure it's filled with appropriate washer fluid, especially one designed for your climate. For example, I give you some example. Yun nga, yung anti-freeze washer fluid in colder region. It maintaining the proper field receiver ensure that you can quickly clean the dirt, grime, or the bugs from your windshield when needed. Next is the types of washer fluid. First is the all-season washer fluid. All-season washer fluid is designed to provide effective cleaning throughout the year, regardless of the weather condition. This type of fluid is formulated to remove dirt, dust, and light debris during warmer months, while also containing anti-freeze properties to prevent freezing in colder temperatures. It's an ideal choice for drivers who experience changing weather patterns as it ensures clear visibility in both summer and the winter. Regularly topping up with all-season washer fluid helps maintaining a clean windshield in a various driving conditions. And next is we have the de-icing washer fluid. The icing washer fluid is especially designed for cold climates and the winter driving conditions. It contains powerful anti-freeze agent that prevent the fluid from freezing in extremely low temperatures. In addition to cleaning the dirt and the grime, the icing washer fluid can melt frost, ice, and light snow build up on the windshield, improving visibility in icy condition. This type of fluid is essential for drivers in regions that experience the harsh winter weather. And lastly is the bug remover washer fluid. Bug remover washer fluid is especially formulated to break down and dissolve stubborn insect remains, tree, sap, and road grime for the windshield. This type of fluid is particularly useful during summer months of or for a long road trip when bug splatter is common. Bug remover fluid is designed to cut through the residue without damaging the glass or the wiper blades, ensuring a clear and streak-free windshield. Using this fluid regularly helps drivers maintain better visibility and a cleaner windshield during warm weather conditions. The cabin filter replacement. Cabin filter replacement services involve inspecting, removing, and replacing the vehicle cabin air filter to ensure optimal air quality and HVAC system performance. Yung cabin filter replacement is important component in vehicle ventilation system that helps clean the air entering the interior. It traps dust, pollen, dirt, and the other airborne particles, ensuring cleaner and healthier air for the passenger. Over time, the cabin filter can become clogged, reducing airflow and causing unpleasant odor or reduce the HVAC efficiency. I will explain the replacing the cabin filter regularly. Typically, every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or as the heating, ventilation, and the air conditioning or the HVAC system operates effectively. Regularly replacement is especially important for the drivers with allergies or those frequently driving in dusty or sa polluted areas. And let's go to the services of the cabin filter replacement. First is we have the inspection. Yung inspection is this involve checking the condition of the existing cabin filter to assess it is clogged, dirty, or damaged and requires replacement. Next is the removal of old filter. The old cabin filter is carefully taken out to make way for the new one, ensuring no debris fall into the system. Next is the cleaning the housing area. The filter housing is cleaned to remove dust, dirt, or the debris, ensuring the new filter operates efficiently. Next is installing a new filter. Uh, a fresh cabin filter is securely fitted into place following the correct orientation for optimal airflow. And lastly is the system testing. The HVAC system is tested to confirm proper airflow, ensuring the new filter is functioning effectively and improving air quality. And let's go to air filter inspection and replacement. An air filter is a crucial component in a vehicle intake system that traps dust, dirt, and debris, ensuring clean air enters the engine. In short, yung air filter inspection is it is involved by checking the engine air filter for dirt and the debris and replacing it when necessary to ensure optimal engine performance and efficiency. The services of air filter inspection replacement. First is we have the again inspection. Examine the air filter for dirt, debris, or damage to determine if cleaning or replacement is necessary. Next is cleaning. Cleaning is ano lang siya, if applicable, yan. For reusable filters, remove surface dust and debris using low pressure compressed air or by following manufacturer cleaning instruction. And next is the replacement. If the filter is clogged or damaged, replace it with a new one to ensure proper airflow and engine performance. Next is the housing cleaning. Yung housing cleaning is to clean the filter housing area to remove any accumulated dirt or debris before installing the new or clean filter. It is ensuring no contaminants enter the engine. And lastly, we have the reassemble and final check. Securely reassemble the filter housing and related components, then start the engine to verify proper installation and functionality. Engine oil inspection. Engine oil inspection services involve checking the condition level and the quality of the engine oil to ensure optimal engine performance and longevity. Um, yung engine oil inspection is also crucial for maintaining optimal engine performance and longevity. To perform an inspection, first is we have ensure the vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is off and cool, as this allows the oil to settle for an accurate reading. Locate the oil dipstick, typically marked with a yellow or orange handle, and remove it. Wipe it clean with a rag, rinse it if fully, then withdraw it again. Um, uh, to check the oil level, which should fall between the minimum again and the maximum markers. Additionally, observe the oil color and consistency. Fresh oil appears amber and clear, while dark or gritty oil may indicate the need for a change. Regularly checking and maintaining proper oil levels ensure adequate lubrication, reduce engine wear, and promotes efficient vehicle operation. Let's go to the services of an engine oil. First is we have the visual inspection. Yung visual inspection is ina-examine yung engine area for sign of oil leaks, such as sa mga wet spot or yung sa may oil stain around sa hoses, the gasket, and yung sa may oil filter neto. And also sa may oil pan gasket, which could indicate potential issues requiring attention. Next is yung oil level check. Within the engine, off and cold, locate the oil dipstick. Remove it, wipe it clean, reinsert if fully, and then withdraw it again to ensure the oil level falls between the minimum and the maximum markers, indicating proper lubrication. Next is oil condition assessment. It is observe the oil color and clarity on the dipstick. Fresh oil appears amber and clear, while dark, dirty, or gritty oil may suggest contamination or the need for an oil change. Next is the top-up service. If the oil level is below the recommended mark, add the appropriate type and amount of oil to maintain optimal engine performance and prevent potential damage. And next is the leak inspection. Check for any sign of oil leakage around the engine, including the hoses, the gasket, and the connection, as leaks can lead to low oil levels and engine damage if left unaddressed. And lastly, we have the oil change. Yung oil change naman is if required yun. When the oil is degraded or has accumulated contaminants, performs a complete oil change to ensure the engine is lubricated with clean oil, thereby maintaining efficiency and extending engine life. Power steering fluid. Power steering fluid is hydraulic fluid that transmits power in a steering system, allowing smooth and effortless steering control. It also lubricates system components, reduces wear, and prevents the corrosion. Yung power fluid is a specialized hydraulic liquid that facilitates the smooth operation of a vehicle power steering system, enable the drivers to steer the minimal effort in hydraulic power steering system. Actually, this fuel transmit the force applied at the steering wheel to the steering mechanism, applying the input and allowing for easier maneuverability, typically composed of mineral oil or synthetic compounds. Power steering fluid also serves as a lubricant for moving components and help dissipate heat generated within the system, and maintaining the appropriate level and quality of power steering fluid is essential. Etiquette or contaminated fluid can lead to increased steering effort, noise, or even failure of the power steering pump. Regular check and timely replacement as recommended by the vehicle manufacturer ensure the longevity and the reliability of the steering system. We have four types of power steering fluid. First is we have the mineral-based fluid. Mineral-based fluid is this type of power steering fluid is derived from refined petroleum, offering reliable lubrication and hydraulic performance. However, it may lack advanced temperature stability and longevity found in synthetic alternatives. And next is the synthetic fluid. Formulated from chemical engineered compounds, synthetic power steering fluid provides superior performance, including enhanced temperature stability, oxidation resistance, and extended service life, making them suitable for modern vehicles with demanding steering system. And next is the universal power steering fluid, designed to be compatible with a wide range of vehicle makes and model. Universal power steering fluid aimed to simplify maintenance. However, it's crucial to verify compatibility with your specific vehicle's requirements to ensure optimal performance and avoid potential system damage. And next is we have the automatic transmission fluid, or the ATF. In some vehicle, ATF is specified for use in the power steering system due to its similar hydraulic properties. Using ATF as directed by the manufacturer ensure proper lubrication and function of the power steering components. Let's go to the accessory drive belt. An accessory drive belt, commonly known as a serpentine belt, is a continuous belt used in automotive engines to drive multiple peripheral devices such as the alternator, the power steering pump, water pump, air conditioning compressor, and air pump. This single continuous belt replaced the older multiple belt system, offering improved efficiency and space utilization within the engine compartment. The belt typically guided by an idler pulley and a belt tensioner, which may be spring-loaded, hydraulic, or manual, ensuring proper tension and operation. Regular inspection and maintenance of the accessory drive belt are crucial, as a failure can lead to the loss critical function, including engine cooling, power steering, and the battery charging, potentially rendering the vehicle inoperable. And the services of accessory drive belt is, first is we have the visual inspection. Examine the serpentine belt for sign of wear such as crack, fairing, glazing, or missing chunks to ensure it functions properly. Next is the tension check. Assess the belt tension to confirm it within the manufacturer's recommended range, as improper tension can lead to slippage or excessive wear. Next is the noise assessment. Listen for an unusual noise like squealing or tripping while the engine is running, which may indicate belt misaligned wear or tension issues. Next is the pulley and component inspection. Inspect the pulleys and related components for sign of wear, damage, or misaligned, as this can affect belt performance and longevity. Um, and next is the belt replacement if required. Okay, replace the serpentine belt if any issues are detected during inspection to maintain the proper operation of engine accessories and prevent potential breakdown. Tire and wheel. The tire and wheel are fundamental components of a vehicle working together to ensure safe and efficient operation. The wheel comprises the rim, hub, and spokes, providing structural support and serving as the attachment point to the vehicle axle. The tire, typically made of rubber, fits around the wheel rim and provides traction, absorbs shock, and maintains contact with the road surface. Regular maintenance, including checking tire pressure, the tread, the depth, and the wheel alignment, is essential to ensure optimal performance, safety, and longevity of these components. And let's go to the service tire and wheel. First is the tire inspection. Examine tires of wear patterns, tread depth, crack, bulges, or foreign object to ensure safety and optimal performance. Next is the tire rotation. Periodically moves tires to different positions on the vehicle to promote even wear and extend their lifespan. Wheel balancing. Adjust the balance of the wheel tire. Assemble to prevent vibration and ensure a smooth ride. While wheel alignment. Adjust the angles of the wheels to the manufacturer's specification to ensure proper vehicle handling and prevent uneven tire wear. Next is the tire pressure check and adjustment. Measure and adjust the air pressure in tires to maintain optimal contact with the road, ensuring safety and fuel efficiency. Next is the tire repair and replacement. Fix the punctures, or replace tires when necessary for maintain safety and performance. Lastly is the tire cleaning and protection. Clean tires and apply protective products to enhance appearance and protect against environmental damage. Under vehicle components. The underside of a vehicle, often referred to as the undercarriage, houses several critical components essential for the vehicle performance, safety, and structure integrity. Um, yung service ng under vehicle components is exhaust system inspection. Examine the vehicle exhaust components including the muffler, a catalytic converter, and the pipes for leaks, corrosion, or damage to ensure proper emission control and optimal engine performance. Next is the suspension system check. Assess the condition of shocks, struts, spring, and related components to maintain ride comfort, handling stability, and to prevent uneven tire wear. Next is the brake system inspection. Inspect brake pads, rotors, calipers, and lines for wear or damage to ensure effective braking performance in vehicle safety. Next is steering component inspection. Evaluate parts such as the steering rocks, tie rods, and power steering system for wear or leaks to ensure precise vehicle control. Next is the transmission and differential inspection. Check for fluid leaks, unusual noises, or wear in a transmission and a differential to ensure efficient power delivery and prevent costly repairs. And next is the drive shaft and CV joints inspection. Inspect drive shaft and constant velocity joints for wear, cracks, or leaks to maintain smooth power transfer to the wheels and prevent driveline failures. And lastly, we have the chassis and frame inspection. Examine the vehicle structure framework for sign or rust, cracks, or damage to ensure overall structure integrity and safety.